Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So the first thing I like to do is thank you for watching. I really appreciate it so much. You have no idea. So this is how I do my 90s updo 90s messy bun look. And I posted a TikTok. It's like a minute long TikTok, but on here I figure I make it a little bit more detailed on how I do everything step by step. So let's get started. So because I am natural, I'm starting off on blow dried hair, and I'm just going to make sure I smooth out everything into a high bun or a high pony. And I used got to be and a little bit of edge control. I didn't want to use too much edge control because I did not want a white cast, so I just put a little bit over the got to be. And then I also created a part and separated that section out for my bang. So here I'm just braiding my hair down and wrapping it around into a bun at the top of my head. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because when I wrap the tracks around that bun up there, it'd be easier for me to create a updo from there. Because usually in ponytail hairstyles, girls usually braid their hair and then wrap the tracks around the braid all the way up to the base of the pony. But because this is not a ponytail, I didn't do it that way. So I highly recommend just making a bun at the top of your head. Okay, now so for the bang. So I decided to do a side bang, and I added 2 clip-ins for extra fullness, which is optional, but I kind of wanted my bang to look like reminiscent of the 90s for sure. So with this style, you can do it either way. You can make like 4 head bangs or two bangs off each side. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But I think a side bang is just the easiest and the simplest. And honestly, this whole entire style took me a total of like 20 minutes to do, which I love because if I wanted to take all this down to go to sleep or to take a shower, I could guilt-free because it's so easy to put back in and it's so easy to take back down. Okay, so now that my bang is complete, let's get to the fun part. The hair that I used was just some leftover hair from a previous sew-in. And yes, girl, we repurpose hair over here all day, every day. Very much sustainable. So I just used bobby pins to wrap the track around, and I didn't use too many. I think I used maybe like 6 in total. And be careful to not dig the bobby pin in your scalp. Y'all know the drill. But trust me, you do not want this to be too tight or uncomfortable because it's not fun. It makes you resent the hairstyle, and I do not like that. I like for it to be easy and effortless. So yeah. And right here I'm starting to feel myself a little bit because it's coming together. It's looking super cute, and honestly you could leave it as a ponytail, but yeah, look at that, super duper cute. And yeah, make sure that bun up there is covered, your little ball. Okay, so for this part you want to make sure you detangle your hair out really well and add some curls to it. They don't have to be perfect, but just add a couple curls on either side so that way when you pin everything up, it has volume and body and personality, okay? I don't know what I was listening to here, but I was feeling it. Okay, so when you're done with the curls, go ahead and finger detangle and just kind of fluff it out. You don't want the curls uniform. Now, here is the fun part. Let's start pinning everything up. I think I used a total of maybe like 8 bobby pins in this, and I just gathered the hair in different sections and put a bobby pin in place. And then as I went on, I would like pull out some strands of hair so that way it could look kind of messy and just like effortless. That's the key here. You want it to look effortless. And I did this all over and preened and prepped along the way until I got my desired look. So I just keep tweaking and preening it until I feel like I got the desired outcome. But overall, this is pretty much it. I love the way it looks. And as far as the bang, you can decide to swoop it back or keep it down. Either way, it's a look. And I definitely feel like this hair is the perfect prom hair, holiday hair, wedding hair, birthday hair, okay, New Year's Eve. So I hope you guys like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.